Blind spot collision warning is designed to help detect and monitor approaching vehicles in the driver's blind spot area using the radar sensors underneath the rear bumper. The feature illuminates a warning light on the side view mirror when a vehicle is in the blind spot. If the driver turns the signal on in the direction of a detected vehicle, an audible warning will sound in addition to the warning light. Quick tip, you can turn the feature on or off, as well as customize the warning volume level in your driver assistance menu. Please note that heavy weather or debris on the radar can prevent the feature from operating properly. It is always the driver's responsibility to be aware of their surroundings and steer the vehicle safely. For more information on this and many other available features, please refer to your Hyundai Owner's Manual.